Shalom Talmidim, Shemot Etzem Perek Daleth, Nouns, Lesson 4, Singular and Plural with Vowel Changes. We've already seen that, generally speaking, the endings for masculine and feminine nouns are according to this chart. So in the masculine singular, most nouns have no ending, and in the feminine singular, many nouns have a kamatz he ending. So sus, male horse, singular, and susa, female horse, singular. And in the plural, the masculine usually adds im, chirik yod mem, and the feminine adds ot, cholem vav tav. Susim, horses, masculine, susot, horses, feminine. When suffixes like these plural markers are put on to nouns, the position of the stress accent in the word moves. Most Hebrew words are stressed on the last syllable, and when you add an extra syllable onto the end of the word, that will change the stress structure in the word, and some of the vowels in the word might reduce. That is, they may change from, say, a kamatz to a shava. Some of these changes are predictable. Before we look at a few of these predictable patterns, which we will do in the following videos, it may be helpful if I introduce you to a few technical terms that are often used in discussions of the changes that nouns undergo when they have plural suffixes added to them. These technical terms are used to describe the location of a syllable in relation to the stress accent. So let's take the word berithoth. It has three syllables, b, ri, and thoth. The stress is on the last syllable, as in most Hebrew words, berithoth. That last syllable, therefore, the stressed syllable, is called the tonic. The syllable before the stress, in this case ri, is called the pre-tonic. Pre means before. So it's before the tonic, before the stress. Berithoth. The syllable to before the stress is called the pro-pre-tonic. Pro is another prefix meaning before, so it's the before the stress. So we have berithoth. Thoth is the tonic or stressed syllable, ri is the pretonic, and b is the pro-pretonic. Now, in my opinion, it's not strictly necessary for you to memorize the technical terms I've just given you, tonic, pretonic, and pro-pretonic, or to memorize the specific patterns that I'm going to show you in the next few videos. What is important, in my opinion, is to be able to recognize whether a noun is singular and plural, and to be able to get from the form that you see in the text that you're reading back to the dictionary form so that you can look it up if you don't know what it means. If you find it most useful to memorize these patterns, by all means, do so. If you find it more useful just to look at the words and see what's going on without memorizing the patterns, in my opinion, that's perfectly fine. Beseder?